Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. To start this look off, we are going to take our Maybelline Master Prime face primer and apply that all over our face.
And the shadows above the town, I can finally see you now. I see the fear inside your eyes, I see the pain in your smile.
Next, we are going to take our Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Foundation in shade 105. Using a damp beauty blender, we're going to dab that all over our face and start to blend. Please don't forget your neck. Next, I'm going to be taking some concealer and I'm going to be applying that underneath my eyes. And as well a tiny bit on my forehead, and I'm going to start blending that out with the sharper end of a damp beauty blender.
I see the fear inside your eyes, I see the pain in your smile. I can finally see you now.
Now that I have that all blended out, I'm going to be taking some translucent powder and I'm going to be using my beauty blender to pack that on underneath my eyes. This will set the concealer as well as brighten your eyes up.
As the leaves start falling down and the shadows above the town.
I'm now using the powder again to set my smile lines to help prevent creasing. I also place a little in between my brows to prevent creasing there. Now that we look all crazy, I'm going to be contouring. I just am currently using a darker shade of powder. No particular color or anything, just to darken and contour. Next up, I'm going to be using my Tarte Blush Bazaar palette, and this thing comes with a ton of different colors for a ton of different looks, and I'm going to be using the shade Dainty.
As the leaves start falling down and the shadows above the town, I can finally see you now.
I'm now just taking a random brush and dusting all that powder off of my face.
I can finally see you now.
And I'm going to be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit palette to be highlighting today. And I'm going to be using the shade Starburst. Now it's time for brows. They're a little too hard to do on camera, so I'm just going to be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Blonde and the dual-ended brush to do those. Now that our face is all done, it's time to start on the eyeshadow. I'm going to take my Tartiest Pro palette, and I'm starting off with the shade Vintage to coat my lids, just to set them. Next, I'm going to be taking this Pat McGrath eyeshadow, it's Silver 005 Cream, and oh, it's so beautiful. Like seriously, look at that pigment. I'm going to be using some MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus and spraying that on my brush, and that's going to help pick up more of the pigment and make it stick better on the lid. And I'm going to be applying that color all over my lid. Now I'm going to be taking my Urban Decay Naked 2 palette, and I'm going to be using the dark gray shade. It's called Pistol. And I'm going to be applying that into my crease.
As the leaves start falling down and the shadows above the town, I can finally see you now. I see the fear inside your eyes.
Now I'm just going to blend that color out.
I can finally see you now. Oh, we're radiate all over the world. We used to radiate, get radiate, but now we're drowning.
And I'm again going to be taking my Urban Decay Naked 2 palette, and I'm going to be using the black shade here. It's called Blackout, on just an angled eyeshadow brush. And I'm going to be creating like a shadow wing. And now for eyeliner, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Master Precise eyeliner. It's a felt tip and it's in the shade black. And I'm just going to start creating a thick cat eye / wing liner.
I can finally see you now. Oh, we're radiate all over the world. We used to radiate, get radiate, but now we're drowning.
It's a bit hard to do eyeliner on camera, so I apologize, but I just ended up finishing them off camera. But here's the final result. If you guys want a video of me showing a more detailed way of creating that wing liner, just let me know in the comments below. I'm now going to be taking this Stilla liquid metal eyeshadow in the shade Diamond Dust on a small brush, and I'm just going to be applying that underneath my waterline as well as underneath my winged eyeliner. And now to really transform this look, I've applied false lashes. They are Salon Perfect Lashes. I just get them from the drugstore and I apply them using Duo Black Lash Glue. And now to finish off this look, I'm going to be using my Urban Decay De-Slick setting spray and misting that all over my face. Here is the final look. I hope that everyone enjoyed. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on my social media if you'd like, and have a wonderful day.